G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today I want to show you this wonderful thing. Okay, now this knife came from a friend, well actually a friend's father, and he said, do you want to have a look at this? And this thing is quite interesting, so I said yes please. Okay, good centering on this one. Real wood, don't know what wood it is, and then brass, but everything feels very solid and very nice. Okay, now this is a Chinese made knife, but it's got this thing, a lever lock or lever lock. Now I tried to do some research and I couldn't really find anything on this specific knife, but okay, this is a Chinese made one. Now the other ones I saw, they looked a bit different at the bottom and a bit different at the top, and the blade shapes differed and whatnot. But there's a few Solingen ones, I think they were from Boker, and then a few Italian made lever locks. But this thing is quite cool. It's an auto. But what a fantastic action. Okay, over there we see stainless china. And on the other side, we see nothing. And it's a wonderful spear point blade, but it's a nice thin blade. Look at that. That's quite awesome. Okay, so you press the lever again to disengage, and then you use it like that or put it away like that. But look at this action on this thing. Oh, that's snappy. Very snappy. Okay, in hand, this thing feels quite fantastic. And there's no way of disengaging this thing until you press the lever down and then you can fold it. Okay, so what a wonderful design. Okay, so I really like this little thing. Let's quickly check some stats on this thing. Blade length is about, well, cutting edge 7 centimeters, blade length overall just over 8 centimeters, overall 18.5 centimeters. And in inches, we have a cutting edge of maybe 2 2/3, overall just over 3 inches, and overall this is 7 and I don't know, 1/4 inch. Okay, what a wonderful little knife. Okay, but I do like blade shapes like this whole spear point type of blade. I really like that. It's very functional, very useful, especially for EDC tasks. But I quite like this little auto. Okay, so there we go. A little Chinese lever lock knife. Well, not little really. Let's get something to compare it to quickly. Okay, so the parrot 2 is about an inch. Am I going to say an inch? Yeah, an inch longer. Don't let the perspective fool you. Let's put it on top and then you can see. Okay, so that's quite nice and it's not that small. Very awesome little knife. Okay, yesterday we went to Lory Park Zoo there in Midrand. Excuse me. With my mother and father. So it was the granddad, grandma, me and the 2 kids. And it was nice. We checked all the things and whatnot. I'll add that footage in here. And then this is Friday. So hopefully later on I'll make another video, but this morning there was a big wet spot against the ceiling in my kids' room. Okay, so I suppose there's a pipe leaking in the roof, so I will update you on that marvelous little piece of information. Okay, if you can see over that wall, there's birds and there's a eagle. We're at Lory Park Zoo today. Kookaburras.
Nee. Hier zit hij.
Ja, en je hebt een chicken.
Ach, hier kun je op iets lopen.
Haircut. Hallo. Hallo.
You, I like you, petty. And what
Hallo Nederland. Hallo Nederland.
Hallo. Huge southern ground hornbill.
Kijk naar mama blue. Wow, hij wil op mijn huis keer. Sissy, hoe wil je op mijn huis keer? Dit zijn gewoon niet. Oh, hij lijkt zo fluffy. Ja, wat zeg ik? Jelle ploom. Yo. En zeg, jelle away,
En
zakken.
dank je me. Kijk.
A king vulture.
En hij is het behind. En hij is cheetah.
Hallo cheetah.
Hallo, wat is jouw naam? Waar is je?
Okay, a few years ago we rented this little area, and then you're surrounded by lions on that side and this side, and then we had a kids party here, and I was standing over there buying burgers.
Dit is een dorpje.
Hallo. Pink ibises or something, and then flamingos at the bottom.
Ja.
Isn't that nice? Matching.
Waar is dat? Hij man beneden jullie ook mee.
Ja, oké.
Hello, jammer.
Oké, dit is het. Control, dat is van. Wat doet dat? Dit is waar. Wat de kant?
Hihi. Hallo, dinosaur.
Slang.
Ja.
Oh, mama, papa. Oma, kan mij op. Oh, nou ik zie het. Ah, ik heb mijn booty.
Kijk hoe zit ze arm.
Oh, kom maar.
Hey, kijk hoe pose.
Full show.
Kijk zijn haren.
Okay. They're doing something. I think they're wrestling. This guys, look out. If you made it till the end of this video, give yourself a thumbs up. Tell all your friends to please subscribe. And have a fantastic weekend. Okay, goodbye.